In this session we're going to take a look at some procedural textures like wood and marble. So here we are in KeyShot, we have our part, and we have a range of what's called procedural type textures or materials. So here, for example, here's one that I've tweaked slightly that we can use as a demonstration. This is Marble Black Advanced, and this is a distillation that I've made of this Marble Black Advanced that comes as part of the KeyShot materials. So we can see here that we've got this nice marble effect on the part, and if we go into the materials graph we can better see what's going on. So here we have a couple of marble type textures, and these are textures that are not defined by an image, that are defined in a procedural manner. So we can go here in our materials plane, click on textures, and we see that there's not an actual image loaded here, but rather there is these sort of set of sliders that are indicating what's going on behind the scenes. So I find it easier to work here in this plane, and we've got our options on the right hand side, and we can change various parameters. So we've got the base color, the vein color, and we've got, say, the vein thickness, the noise, and the vein noise scale. So we can very quickly play around with some of these. So this is the vein thickness, and you can immediately see the change that can be applied. We can make the noise more or less. If we make it less, we'll see pretty much a straight line, so there's no noise there, and we can ramp it up until we get some sort of very interesting patterns going on, and we can always then go off and change the color as well. So this is something that maybe looks more natural, and we can go for something that's maybe a bit more out there. Need to hit OK, and then we can do the same with the vein color as well. Okay, so we can very quickly and easily use these types of powerful sliders to create the exact effect that we're looking for. Now let's take a look at a wood procedural texture. Yeah, I like this walnut type wood, and here we can see we've got the wood applied straight away, and we can go off and adjust this material in a number of different ways. So let's go click on the material, and if we open up the materials graph we can have a better look at what's going on. So here if I click on the Wood Advanced tab, I've got a whole range of options that we can play with. So first off, we could change the position of this texture. We could have it sideways on, for example. Okay, so there, that is a different orientation to for the wood. Okay, we can adjust the scale as well, so we can make this a bit bigger, and we can play with the ring spacing variation. So this is going to give us sort of different size rings. We can make the noise of the rings more whirled, so again, depending on the type of wood that you've got, you can create a more natural type effect that's appropriate for that wood. And also we can change the color of the wood altogether. So here, for example, we could change the winter color. We can create some really wow colors. Let's just change here a couple of colors and get some interesting effects going on. Now, while this as an example is a bit extreme and somewhat less realistic, you can very easily understand how you can change the tone of the wood to suit the specific project requirements.